So today I'm going to talk about sections and how they can be used to organize your different custom reports and dashboards. So one way that's really great to use sections is that, say you have a data source that you're reporting on, analytics for example, and there's different depths that you want to get into, different sets of data within Google Analytics that you want to report on. So one way that you can organize them is with our sections feature. So your first tab or first section can be maybe the overview. So just high KPI metrics. You want to look at page views, sessions, users, and then just high level overall performance. Now we want to get a little bit deeper. Maybe I want to focus a section on just sessions. So I want to see sessions broken out by source or sessions broken out by medium. So I can organize the data that way. Another example could be drilling into your different goals that you have set up and where are those goals coming from, goals broken out by users. And so sections has a way of you organizing your data by a particular data source. Another awesome feature or way that you can position sections and use sections is for you to, maybe you have a full universal dashboard and you want to organize or use sections to separate the different data sources that you're reporting on. So for an example of that could be reporting on a bunch of different PPC campaigns, running AdWords, Bing ads, and then also maybe you do a bunch of social media. So I want to have a section that talks about all of my social media campaigns. And I've got some email marketing happening too. So I have a section to organize and report on that. And then I can add in my website analytics. So you have all of your different data sources, but it's all in one universal dashboard. So with sections, possibilities are that you can use it to organize the different sets of data for one data source, or you can use sections to divide a universal dashboard to report on the different data sources that you're reporting on, whether it's different PPC campaigns, analytics, email marketing, social media, having all of those different data sources in one dashboard and use it to organize it with sections.